Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to obtain an Airtable access token step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web version of Airtable. First, click the profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that menu, click Builder Hub. The Builder Hub page will open with a left sidebar navigation. In the left sidebar, look for the Developers section and click Personal Access Tokens. This opens the Personal Access Tokens management page where you'll see any tokens you've already created. Now click the Create Token button. You might see it labeled as Create New Token or plus Create New Token depending on your interface. The token creation form will open. In the name field at the top of the form, enter a descriptive name for your token. Something specific like Zapier integration or Python read only works better than generic names like test token. Next, scroll down to the Scope section and click plus. Add a scope. A scope selection interface appears showing different permission categories. Select the scopes you need. Common ones are data.records, :read, and data.records, :write for basic record access. Only grant the permissions you actually need. You can always edit the token later to add more. Now scroll down to the Access section and click plus. Add a base. A base selector appears. Choose which specific bases this token should have access to. You can select individual bases, multiple bases, or even all bases in a workspace, but specific bases are the most secure option. Once you've selected your bases, click the Create Token button at the bottom of the form. A modal pops up displaying your newly generated token. This is critical. Copy the token value immediately and store it somewhere secure. Airtable only shows the full token once. If you close this modal without copying it, you'll need to revoke the token and create a new one. So copy it now before you do anything else. Couple of quick tips. When you store this token, use environment variables in your code. Never hard-code it directly into your scripts. Make sure your .env file is added to your .gitignore so it doesn't get committed to version control. When you use the token in API requests, it goes in the authorization header as bearer, followed by your token value. And if you ever need to manage your tokens later, just head back to that Personal Access Tokens page in Builder Hub where you can edit, regenerate, or delete them. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.